Hi everyone, I'm Mao Murakami, the founder of Sparkly Belly, and welcome to the Cascading Ruffle Skirts premium course. In this special course, you'll be creating these beautiful, sumptuous skirts with gorgeous cascading ruffles. First, we'll start by learning how to make these ruffles and different ways of finishing them so they're beautiful and bouncy and look professional. Then we'll make this first style that features ruffles that run vertically. This is the easiest style of the two, but it's just as beautiful and luxurious. Mixing chiffon and lace makes it sweet and whimsical. After that, we'll make the second style with ruffles running diagonally. Very sumptuous and gorgeous, and it has minimal volume around the waistband. You can finish the ruffles in two different ways to adjust the volume to your liking. You can mix and match different colors and textures for the ruffles and create unique looks, which will satisfy your creative cravings. These cascading ruffle skirts will be great alternatives to regular skirts, and they are really popular among designer costumes in recent years. The ruffles add much more drama to your movements, and these will instantly wow your audience. Perfect for your important solo stages. I'm really excited to share with you all these techniques and ruffle skirt designs in this course.